Artificial intelligence. Well, I'm sure most of you are aware of this term. But what is AI? AI refers to the simulation of the human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think like humans and mimic their actions. But today, artificial intelligence is impacting every other industry and all our lives, every human being's life. But have you ever given a thought that what if artificial intelligence replaced the lawmakers and policymakers of the country? Here I am today with a very interesting research report and a study. Hello and welcome. This is Disha Maishari and you're watching The Ottering. Now let's talk about the application of artificial intelligence. First of all, AI has significant use in healthcare sector. Companies are trying to develop technologies for quick diagnosis of the disease. Artificial intelligence would efficiently operate on patients without even human supervision. Such technological surgeries are already taking place. Another excellent healthcare technology is the IBM Watson. Artificial intelligence in business world would significantly save a lot of time and effort. There is an application of robotic information and automation to human business tasks. Furthermore, machine learning algorithms help in better serving customers. Chatbots provide immediate response and service to customers. AI can certainly make education more efficient. Artificial intelligence technology can discover the needs of students, then it can adapt according to their needs. AI tutors provide study help to students. Also, artificial intelligence can automate grading, which results in saving a lot of time. AI can greatly increase the rate of work in manufacturing. Manufacture of a huge number of products can take place with AI. Furthermore, the entire production process can just take place without human intervention and save a lot of time and effort. Artificial intelligence has applications in various other fields. These fields can be military, law, video games, government, finance, automotive, audit, art, and the list goes on. Hence, it's clear that AI has a massive amount of different applications. To sum it up, artificial intelligence looks all set to be the future of the world. Experts believe that AI would certainly become a part and parcel of a human life soon. AI would completely change the way we view our world. With artificial intelligence, the future seems intriguing and exciting. According to the research conducted by the researchers at the IE University Center for Governments of Change, asked about 2,769 people in about 11 countries worldwide that how they would feel about reducing the number of national parliamentarians in their country and giving those seats to AI that would access all the data. Well, let me tell you, the results are quite surprising. The results showed that 51% of the Europeans are in favor of this idea. Well, opinions did vary dramatically by generation. The younger people were more significantly open to this idea, whereas the older generation, that is people above 55 years old, did not seem to like this idea and kind of oppose it. Well, not all countries like this idea and quite showed opposition and are against the idea of giving the control to the machines which can be hacked or don't act in ways that humans want them to. In the UK, 69% of the people who were surveyed were against this idea, 56% were against in Netherlands and 54% in Germany. Well, what is your take on this idea of replacing the members of parliaments with AI? Let us know in the comment section. And if you like the content, do like, share and subscribe our channel and keep watching The Ottering. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you so much.